Action.
Alright, this is the Drake family flash mob for New Year's Eve weekend. So this is your dance to learn. I'm going to be showing you the instructor version. So when I go right to your right, when I go this way, you go that way too. Alright, I'll try to cue you right and left. Alright, here we go. It's to Jeremiah Was a Bullfrog. You can get it on iTunes. Go ahead.
Yeah. Y'all ready for this?
And Olivia's my lovely assistant. Alright, here it goes. Some little kids yelling this. And some other kid comes.
Was a good friend of mine.
And then a couple kids are going to hook arms and skip. Like a couple groups. Just skipping around the room. Music down. Music down. 3-step turn to the right. Come back. Step clap for 4. 4, 3. Walk up with arms raising. Swim back. And then joy to you and me. Grapevine to the right. Step behind, step lift. 3 steps forward, touch. Come back. Skinny white girl dance, so they say. And throw away the cards and take a knee and make peace love. Bring it up. Joy to the world. 3
Olivia's
steps
Michael
circle.
Jackson with her glove.
What?
Nothing.
Step clap. Raise and walk forward. Back, back, back. And joy to you and me. Now it's a freestyle time.
Freestyle! You can tell our family's not very good at freestyling. And Olivia's T-bowing. There's Anna.
Alright, verse 2. Similar. Grapevine to the right. Step behind, step lift. 3 steps forward. We're going to draw our guns here. Shoot down to the right. Shoot down to the left. Shoot down to the left to the right. And hands up in your pocket. March a circle. Hands up and then in your pocket. March in a circle. 3-step turn to the retrain. Step touch for 4. 3. Raise and lift. Walk up. Back, back, back. And joy to you and me. Alright. This is another freestyle. Just a little bit.
And remember, if you don't know the dance moves, it's okay. It's all in fun.
Then we're going to clasp hands and you're going to step touch.
Grab a partner and
a long
it's going to be a long line.
One long line. Come on. And we're going to do the worm. All the way down in the back. 3 steps forward with the woo. 1, 2, 3. Woo! And then hips go in a circle.
Circle hip.
Step turn. And back. Step clap. 4, 3. Raise your hands up. Walk it up. And swim back.
There's our lovely dog, Mika. She doesn't really know what she's going to.
3-step turn. And back. Step clap. 4, 3. Bring it up. Raise your hands. And back. And joy to you and me. And it's a freestyle. We just dance around. Everybody go back to your business. Shake the tail feather.
Okay, that's kind of embarrassing.
The only thing I want to tell you is that we're going to have little kids when it says joy to the fishes in the deep blue sea. We're going to have a couple kids. We're going to make cardboard fish, and the little kids can walk with their fish through the dance. So if you have a little kid, like 2 or 3, we're going to be giving them little fishes. So if you have any questions, let me know. Oh, Libby wants to show her dog off. Oh, and he attacked her. So, good luck. Merry Christmas. Call me if you have any questions.